Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you how you can create a hello world program in the JavaScript. You know that in the previous class I discussed different methods to use JavaScript in the HTML document. So one of them I use a method to create a hello world program in JavaScript. We go to Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code, first of all I have to create a new file, and this file, new file, save this file, hello world.html. Just you have to copy this one, paste here. So it is very easy. I share with you uh, in the previous class. So hello world program means that how you can start any programming language. Hello world program in JavaScript means how you can display hello world on the browser or on the front end. So to displaying anything else to the browser, I have already discussed with you in the previous class with different method. So if you want to create a hello world program, you have to create at first HTML basic structure, and then use any method to use JavaScript HTML document. So this method is inside the head section. You can use a hello world program, in the JS, or just write a hello world using document.write method. This is method is used to as a output function in the JavaScript. So this method is another method to create hello world program in JavaScript. To creating external file, this is a external file, and I can write here hello world program, or anything else you can write here. Just use I write a hello world here, that will be display in the browser hello world, another hello world, and then this is another method. After the head section, you can also use here a hello world. So it will be clear when you asked or when you assign an assignment to create hello world from the JavaScript. There are different method or different option to create hello program in the JavaScript. So this is another method. So this is another method of the inside the body section hello world. So another is a after the HTML document, you can also use a hello world program, and I also save this file. So open the folder where this file is saved. You can see that hello world program is saved, or hello world file is saved in the day1 folder. Just double click, this file will be open in the browser, and you will see that its result in the browser as a hello world program. So this is the coding you can use. So this program is open hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. So there are different methods you can use to create hello world program in the JavaScript. Just change its title. Here I want to change title hello world program in JavaScript. Just refresh and its title will be changed. So you can see that its title is changed. So this method is used to create hello program in the JavaScript. Anyhow, if you face any problem, any issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.